Bonjour, this is Learn French with Monsieur Olaide. You are welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, we're discussing about the French numbers. I'm going to teach us the numbers from 1 to 60 today, 1 à 60. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Let's dive into today's topic. The French numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now, I'm very sure most of us will be wondering why did I stop at 20, then continue from 30. Yes, the reason is this. For you to be able to solve from 21 down to 69, you have to know your 1 to 9 offhand. Your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you know your 1 to 10 offhand, now we have 21. 21 is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now let's go back. If you notice, you see that from 21 down to 29, you make use of 1 to 9, 1 and 9. Now from 30, jusqu'à 39, make use of 1 à 9 also, which means 1 to 9. So for you to solve from your number 20 down to 69, make sure you know your 1 à 9, then your 20, your 30, your 40, your 50, and your 60. With that, I'm very sure you'll be able to solve from number 1 down to 69 in French. That will be all for today.